Hello everyone, my name is Tabitha Painshin, and today I will be going over what makes a quality website and why it is necessary for a business, company, or brand to have one in this digital age of advertising. The presentation will begin by explaining why the world has experienced such a change from traditional to digital communication, and how technological advancements contributed to this. Then, I will explain why it is important for a company, business, or brand to adapt to these changes. And finally, I will cover the necessary elements of a quality website. So let us begin. In just the past 5 years alone, the world has experienced a significant digital transformation. This we can largely attribute to the release of exceptional smartphones and even smarter computers. These technological vessels have caused a hard shift in communication, especially with how consumers interact with a brand, company, or business, thus directly affecting how consumers shop for a good or service. Instead of looking to newspapers, radio, or even television, consumers rely on the internet for their shopping needs. With all this information just a search away, it makes sense that the internet devices, like smartphones and computers, have rose to the top. The convenience of these devices is why so many individuals use them. Websites should share this level of convenience. It is important that a business, company, or brand adapts to this change, or they will miss out on the largest pool of potential consumers. Having an online presence is only half the battle, however. The most crucial part is having a quality website. To thrive in this digital age, a business needs to have a website that not only attracts consumers, but generates conversions, meaning the individual actually purchases a product or service after viewing the site. A quality website has each of these features: a minimal layout, easy accessibility, complementary brand color, good use of graphics, proper fonts, and easy readability. First and foremost, a concise and minimal layout is necessary. Figure 1.1 is a prime example of a bad website. Notice that at first glance, you can barely tell what the website is about or even what products are being offered. Also, it is hard to navigate this site because there are no clear informational tabs or buttons. This lack of accessibility is sure to turn away a potential buyer. In addition, this website is oversaturated with graphics, so much so that a consumer would not even know where to begin looking. Figure 1.2, however, features buttons that help the user navigate smoothly. As well, clear tabs showcase exactly where information is located. This site is not overpopulated with graphics. Instead, it has one clear, complementary, attractive graphic. Finally, the most important yet overlooked aspect of a website layout is mobile optimization, or designing a site to render properly to many screen sizes, especially those of mobile devices. No one wants to pinch and zoom to view information like they would have to with Figure 1.1. Instead, aim to be more like Figure 1.2, where the site fits comfortably on a mobile device screen. Next comes brand color. A website's color scheme needs to be appealing yet gentle on the viewer's eye. So one should refrain from using harsh or hard colors that overwhelm a site or take away from the information. Also, the color scheme should be complementary to a brand, business, or company. It should be the colors you are known for, like Starbucks green and black and Walmart's yellow and blue. Finally, a website should not be multiple colors. It is much more effective to find and use 1, maybe 3 colors for a site. Graphics, more importantly, the smart use of graphics, is necessary for a quality website, especially given that 65% of the population are visual learners, according to the Social Science Research Network. Graphics should be purposeful, not featured just to fill space, and proper use of graphics will promote engagement in viewers. In Figure 2.1, the graphics hold no concrete purpose, or the information could have easily been conveyed without them. Figure 2.2, however, shows the aesthetic appeal graphics can bring to a site. The relationship between the two graphics and the text is clear. This example showcases how a little can go a long way. The use of clear fonts is important for consumer readability. If a website has poor readability, potential consumers will be pushed off the page. This can be caused by hard-to-read fonts, poor contrast between the font and background, like in Figure 3.1, and the use of too many unnecessary fonts. It is recommended to use 2 fonts. 3 or more becomes confusing for viewers. 1 font should be used for headers and subheadings. Adjust the size accordingly. Another font, preferably a print face, should be used for body copy and text. These type of fonts are much more easily read in comparison to fancier fonts. Consumers want to quickly and easily read information. Having and demonstrating a proper font use sets a website apart, like Figure 3.2. In conclusion, to stay relevant in this digital age, it is vital that companies, businesses, and brands have a quality website. To my fellow classmates, if you have any questions or would like to know any more information, please email me at painchen.t@yahoo.com or visit me after class. Thank you for your time.